Hi, my name is Nasuna Hilda, a medical student at Gulu University. I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about the use of Gmail on your personal computer. First of all, Gmail helps you to send and receive messages via an email. So the first thing that I'll be showing you today is how to open up your Gmail account and how to send and receive messages. My contact that I'll be using is Chrome, and it's through Chrome that I'll be using to enter my Gmail. First of all, you can either type in Gmail manually, you can type in Gmail here manually, then you enter, or you already have Gmail here, or we have these 9 dots here. You open up these 9 dots and look for Gmail, which is here. Tap on it and you wait for it to open. So there are cases where where you've not yet signed into your Gmail account. For me, already signed in, that's why we are having an N here, indicating that this is my account, Nasuna Hilda, with my email, nasunahilda@gmail.com. So today I'll be showing you how to send a message using Gmail. First of all, as you can see, I've got some emails here from different people. I already have emails here from different people. An email which was the most recently sent was this email from somebody. So this email shows that I was the recipient, but this one was the sender. So that's what it shows. But for a case whereby you want to compose an email and send to someone, after opening up your Gmail, you come here and you press on compose. So here you'll be forming a new message. For this new message, you'll be sending to somebody else. Now this CC and this CC, this one means carbon copy, this one means basic carbon copy. For this case, this is where first of all you can send to multiple recipients, not only one person. You can send to very many people. But for this case here, after sending to someone, they'll be able to know that you've sent the email to more than one person. But for basic carbon copy, it only shows it brings about privacy. The recipient won't know that you've sent the email to more than one person, or to him and somebody else. For this case, to means this is the person to whom you're sending your email. For instance, you may not already have somebody, but I have somebody here. So I may use him as my recipient. Now here, that's my recipient. Then the subject here, like what you're talking about. You may want to send an image. Sorry, I may want to send a message regarding apology for late replies. Apology for late replies. Then after writing in the subject or the body for what you're sending, you may come here. Here, it's like this specifically shows what kind of font you want to send your email in. For this case, you may choose any font that you like. This is after highlighting and narrow, as you can see. Then this is the size. This controls the size, either increasing the size or decreasing the size. This is to bold. You may want your messages sent in bold format. This is italics. You may want them to be in italics manner. You may want to underline them. You may want to change the color and so on. These are basically things to change. Then for this, you may want to attach a file. You may want to send a subject to somebody else with something else, like you may want to send a contact. You may want to send a picture to someone. So you look for whatever you want. You search here and you look for whatever you want. But for this case, I'm not specifically dealing with that. Then here, for this case, it's a link. You may want to paste a link to send someone, but I'm not sending any link here. Then here, these are emojis. For instance, you're sending to a friend and it's in a casual way. You want to send an emoji to show, to put in more emphasis on what you're sending. Then for this case, this is Drive. I'll be making a video to show you how to use Google Drive. So for this, let's put that aside. You have to stay tuned, subscribe for more of my videos. Then this, when you want to insert a photo here, when you like confidential mode, only you and the person will be watching. Then here, this is for signature. You may want to insert a signature. It's normally for formal use that you have to like it's better to insert a signature formally, yeah, to show that this has been sent by you. But for this case, you just have to click on this. You may want to manage signatures, because you may be making this from different. After this, you come to this, then you may insert any signature that you want. Then for this, like more options, you may want to print what you've texted, what you've sent, or anything like that. But that's not all. Then all that aside, here, this one shows you can schedule when to send your email. You may make your Gmail today, and you want to send it in 30 days, or in 40 days, or maybe in a day, or at a specific period of time. For instance, you want to send a birthday email to someone, and you're worried you may forget at a certain date. You may schedule that, and when you want to send the email, just tap on this, then you pick a date and time, and the email will be sent at that very time, as long as you're connected to the internet. And that's all for today's video. I just wanted to show you more about how to send and receive messages using your computer via Gmail. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and listening to everything that I'm talking about. Stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.